show you what I've like discovered. All these engineers around the world that want to help ANEW Energy with the factory design, and these people like sent their portfolios. So here's a gentleman. I'm not sure where he is from, but we have like so many engineers that want to build this factory, and they just kind of excuse me, go on and look at the rate. They're like 22 bucks an hour, and some of the skills like 9 years that guy has. This guy's got 30 years of automation engineering, and he wants 20 bucks. He's in Ukraine, Hill. But it's just like I can buy like so many guys and issue them work through our CAD system that we work in the cloud. But look at some of these guys. I like they're just like superstars. Like that guy's got 14 years and he wants 27 bucks an hour. Some of these guys, they're just phenomenal. Got this guy right here that just keeps pinging me. He wants work right now. Hold on, where's this guy? Luis. Luis is down in South America. Here's Luis. So Luis wants 20 bucks an hour. He's got 14 years of doing this, but look at his portfolio. This guy, like, he's done it all. Like, I need this guy on our team for 20 bucks an hour. He's going to be designing, like, he's got hundreds of cool designs in his portfolio. So I'm just like so thrilled that like these guys are like they're signing up. They want to be part of the ANEW Energy, building out the factory, and they can do all this stuff in the cloud. So I'm just like, it's just guys like Luis that just like rock my world, and they write me all the time, and I'm like constantly like 15 bucks an hour for 7 years of CAD experience. I'll never get that in the U.S. These guys just like go on and on, and they're just like $3.62. This guy, where's this gentleman from? Serbia. All right, we got a Serbian guy with 16 years of experience. It's just like so cool that we can all work in the cloud. This guy's in Iran. He wants to get paid in Bitcoin. This guy's, I don't know where he is. This guy, blah, blah, blah. Turkey. I got a bunch of guys from Turkey. I don't know where this guy is. But everybody's, coming in to help. This guy's in Ukraine. Got a bunch of guys from Ukraine. They're telling me that they're sitting, they don't have work, and there's no battle, but they're protecting their home. So just an array of different talents that kind of blow my mind that we've got all these guys here. So anyhow, I got to take this call. Hey James. Hey, hold on. I was just doing a screen recording. Hold on here. I just have to. What is it? Command Control